All right. Before I proceed in this section, a quick recap of our AI agent. We have built one AI agent called Potato Wala, and this is an AI agent which helps customer to quickly find information about vegetable prices and other payment method inquiries or any other inquiries, delivery methods, etc. And this chat we have given couple of instructions here. Uh, from the knowledge point of view, we have added FAQ knowledge base here, and we created two topics, home delivery and place an order. And we also learned how we can call one topic from another topic. And also in the topic section we learned about the variables, how we have declared variables, how we can make it global variable. And here you see how we are calling one topic from another topic. So these are the things we have learned so far. Then in the channel we have published in Teams channel already, and I have shown in my previous section that how you can publish your agent in a Teams channel, and any user can directly interact with your Teams channel. So one thing was pending here, how you can publish your agent in a website. So here is, there is a demo website, and let me show you how we can publish this in a demo website. So I have gone to channels tab here, and there is something called demo website. And if you want to publish this in full-fledged web application, then you should click on this one. But right now let me show you in a demo website. In the welcome message, let's say I am Potato Wala, and conversation starter, let's say all right. Let's open the demo website right now. Let me save these messages, and let me open the demo website and see how it looks. Oh, this is so beautiful. So if there is a website and you want to publish your agent in that website, it will look like this, like a chat bot you see in various websites. So this is your chat bot is ready here. And I can interact the same way as I was doing in the agent as well and in the Teams chat. Hi, I want to place an order. Let's see. Let's say I ask for potato. Would you like to have pickup or home delivery? Let's say home delivery. So it is asking about my location. I give Indranagar. Is there anything else I can help you? No. Would you like to end your conversation? Yes. Did that answer the questions? Yes. Okay, it is asking about the rating and all. So this is working like a typical chatbot, and we understood now. Hi, I am Potato Wala. So how we have published in a demo website. So this is quite cool. This looks very nice, and you can refresh the chat. You can start a new chat again. So this is published in a demo website. So this is how your chatbot will look once you publish this in any website.